Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I am going to cook some pork loin fillets in red wine sauce, and I will be accompanying them with some rice. So let's start cooking. Okay then, I'll start off by, shall I slice them or peel them? Chop them. Chop them, I think. This dish, well, I'm gonna have it with overboiled rice. I was gonna have it over boiled potatoes. Chips would be nice as well, but I thought I haven't eaten rice for a few days. I thought I'll do it with rice instead. Okay, so that is done. Stock cube, bay leaf, and the onion will be chopped next. Let's put that in there. Doesn't matter if I mix it all in later because I'm going to be adding it all together. Let's cut this piece off, bit of skin, and let's chop this up. Whoa. Whoop, that fell on the floor. Okay, so I'll put it all in here. Well, today we are expecting 42 degrees centigrade, and I am dreading it, really dreading it. I think I'll spend most of the afternoon under a hose pipe out in the garden. Okay, let's go on to the next step, which is to open this packet of pork loin fillets. They're very thin ones, these. Look, well, piece stuck to there. Right, let's fire up the stove. So, got the frying pan on there, this on high, and I'm just going to add a drop of olive oil, just a little bit, and wait for that to heat up. Okay, so the pan seems nice and hot. I'm going to keep it on number 9, and I'm going to add the pork loin fillets, and brown them off on both sides. I'll add these afterwards, or else it will cool down the oil. Also, I will add some salt to them. So oh, this is wobbly. Let's turn them over. Whoops. They're very soft, these. Really soft. Stop wobbling. Okay, so once they're browned on both sides, I'll take them out and just leave them aside on a plate. And I will add the other ones in. and of course add some salt to them also. Oh, look how they break. Why? They're so tender. They're like butter. Let's add some salt. And do the same as the others. Okay, so I've got all the pork out. Now what I'll do, the pan, this, I won't chuck it away. No way. That will give it an extra nice taste. So what I'll do is, where's the olive oil? Ah, I've hidden it all. I have this habit, after I use things, I always put them away. I didn't realise I needed some olive oil. So I'll put in a couple of tablespoons and wait for that to heat up. And you know what, I'm going to turn it down to number 7. This is really high. I think it's already heated up. So what I'll do is add the, yeah, look at that, bloody hell. Add the onion and garlic and gently brown it off. Okay, so don't worry about the black bits from the pork. They should dissolve later. Well, that's what I hope anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of fried tomato sauce. I'm going to crumble in a meat stock cube. Oh, this one's hard. I'm going to add my lovely paprika, sweet pimenton, sweet paprika, about a heaped teaspoon. Let's give this a mix about. Don't want it to burn. Oh, that smells so good already. I'm going to add the bay leaf. There you go. Hide it under there so it doesn't float about. And now I'm going to add the pork. And spread it about. So what I'll do next is add some salt. And add the glass of wine. And, well, it's all, God, this is so hot. I think it's the weather as well makes this cook quicker. So, let's give it a swirl and leave that there to boil for about 5 minutes so that the alcohol goes away. In the meantime, I'm gonna say cheers to everyone. Okay then, so it's been here for about 3-4 minutes. The alcohol seems to have dissolved. So what I'll do now is add some peas. Spread it all about, mix it nicely. And I'm going to add some water. I've got 200 ml here, which is 6 ounces. So I will add it all in there. And I will cover it up like that and leave it there for about 10 minutes and I'll see what it's doing. And in the meantime, I'll clean up this mess. Don't care what anyone says, but the kitchen must be clean at all times, especially in the summer. With this heat, you never know what you're going to catch. Okay then, it's been here for 10 minutes. Let's remove the lid. It's hot. I think I'd better do a taste check just in case. I've never made this before. Just came up with it last night. But my wife is eating it as well, so if she doesn't like it, I'll be in the doghouse. So let's have a look at the sauce. I know the meat's going to be good. Meat is meat, isn't it, after all? Let's see the sauce, what it's like. Yes. Delicious. Maybe I shouldn't have added the salt earlier on. The second lot of salt. But it's okay. So the sauce is nice and thick, as you can see. What I'll do now is turn it off, cover it back up completely, no little hole this time, and just leave it there for 10 minutes and to let it stop boiling, and then I'll dish it up on a plate for the thumbnail, of course. Okay then, let's serve this up. There you go. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe. And is this a bit funny, this? Whoa, this is a bit strange, isn't it? Okay. I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe. I look forward to doing my next recipe for you. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel and have given me a like and left a comment. I really appreciate that. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.